Welcome to the UNLV College of Education Anthology Portfolio Quick Start Guide for Assessors. For more detailed information, please go to userguide.chalkandwire.com. You'll notice, by the way, this says Chalk and Wire. That's because Portfolio and Chalk and Wire recently merged, so know that anytime you see Chalk and Wire, you're in the right place. To get started, I'm going to click on this unique and secure link provided by the system. From here, I simply have to enter in my email address to log in. You won't have a password because, again, you were provided a unique URL only accessible through your email address. If you have pending work, it will be here on the notification page when you arrived at the system, but we want to show you how to manually access assessments and journal entries. We'll start with assessments. Click on Menu and Assess. I have a pending assessment here. I'm going to left click on that and select Assess. Then I'm going to enter in my scores. Importantly, you can select Show Detailed View if you want more information on that rubric. Now I can either save as a draft to complete and submit later, or I can click Save to submit the scores. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Now these scores will be uploaded to the system and the student will be able to see the assessment. The next thing we want to do is look at journal entries. Journal entries are under experiential learning. This gives you information about your placement. Select your placement and select View. Here we see the placement details, the journal, including the completed hours, and demographic information according to the National Center for Educational Statistics. So here I can view this information by left clicking and getting an idea of the activities week by week and the hours week by week. But to sign off, we can actually go to the top and select Pending Sign-Offs from this tab. From here we want to view our students' entries. After we've reviewed the details, we simply select Sign. Once again, for more information about any components of the system, simply go to Menu, Help, and select the User Guide.